Good morning, guys. I hope you are all doing fine. Happy New Week to my follower all around the world. So today we have work ahead to do, which is simultaneous linear equation part 2. We started part 1 in our last episode, which is simultaneous linear equation involving fraction part 1, which I was able to give an example. And the example of the format of example I gave that day is when the unknown is at the numerator, like something like this. Maybe x over 2 plus y over 3 is equals to 4. Maybe x over 5 minus y over 7 is equals to 8. So you can see the unknown here are the x and the y, which are at the numerator. But today, on today's episode, if the unknown are at the denominator, how do we go about it? Which is exactly what we are going to look at today. So let's go. So let me quickly clean this up now. Then we begin with the example I have on my screen. So please don't forget to always share. Then I notice the Facebook, most people tends to scroll or watch the video to some extent and leave it. So in that case, I'll be uploading shorts on the Facebook, while the main video will always be on my on my YouTube channel. So which parents, students can always download on their device and watch later. And due to numerous posts on Facebook every day, his parents or a student might tends to just throw past it and say you want to come back to it later, and they might also find it difficult to locate. So but when it is on YouTube, you can always download it. You can always go to my page and watch the full video. So let's start with today's episode. So we are given 1 over x plus 1 over y is equals to 5. So the first thing you have to do, you have to look for a way to find x and y. And the best way to it is to just represent 1 over x with any alphabet of your choice. So I'm using P. Also, 1 over y maybe is equals to Q. Okay? So in that case, this equation becomes, since 1 over s is P, this equation now becomes P plus, then 1 over y is Q is equals to 5, which make it easier for us, right? So let's go to the second one. 1 over y minus 1 over x is equals to 1. So the first thing I need to do, I need to rearrange this one so that it will be uniform, just like this one that is here. So I can write it as minus 1 over x plus 1 over y is equals to 1. So which means, don't forget, 1 over x and 1 over y is already something. Okay? So 1 over s is what? It is P. And 1 over y, it is Q. So this one becomes minus P plus what? Q is equals to 1. So I will name this one equation 2. Okay? So don't forget, we can now solve these two equations simultaneously, either by using elimination or substitution method. So let's go. So I would like to clean this particular page and move to another page now. Okay, so which I have this. So what will be my equation 1? I will quickly clean this now. So equation 1 now becomes P plus Q is equals to 5. Equation 1. Then minus P plus Q is equals to what? Is equals to 1. So this is my equation 2. Okay? So in doing so, I will have to use either the elimination or the substitution method. So which I will advise, any method of your choice is okay. But in this case, I will use elimination method. Why? Because the coefficient of P in equation 1 is already 1, while the coefficient of P in equation 2 is negative 1. So what do I mean by coefficients? A number beside a variable. Definitely, if you notice, let's say you're having x, the coefficient of x here is 1. Okay, if no number is there, it is 1. So in the case where you have minus x, the coefficient of x, it is what? It is minus 1. So please take note of all this. Take note, please. So if you don't understand what a coefficient is, so I believe you can just read about it online, or you can send me a DM to explain how to get a coefficient in a given variable. So since this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So this is plus 1 here. I will just add equation 1 and 2 together. So I will add equation 1 and equation what? Equation 2 using what? Using elimination method. So I will just say plus p plus q plus minus p plus q is equals to 5 plus 1. So the plus is the addition that is here. The plus here is the addition that is also here. So definitely I will have plus p plus q. Let's open the bracket. Plus times minus p, that is minus p. Plus times plus q, that is plus q, which is equals to 5 plus 1, it is what? It is 6. So this one and this one will go away. So in that case, I've eliminated what? P. So q plus q, this give me 2q is equals to 6. So my q will now be equals to 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 3. It's as simple as that. I will now say substitute for q in equation what? You can use equation 1 or equation 2. Any one of your choice is okay. So I will use equation 1. P plus q is equals to what? Is equals to 5. This is my equation 1. So I will put when q is equals to what now? 3. So p plus 3 is equals to 5, which means p will be equals to 5 minus what? Minus 3 by collecting like terms. So that means p is equals to what? P is equals to 2. Sorry. P is equals to 2. And that is it. Is this our final answer? No. So we have P is equals to 2, Q is equals to 3. Mind you, if you stop here, you are not going to get your full mark. So since what we are looking for is what? We are looking for X and we are looking for Y. So take note, our P is already 2, our Q is already what? Is already 3. So let me wipe this up and move to the next page. So now, what I will have now is, since 1 over x is equals to p. So 1 over x is equals to, when p is what? What do we get for p? We got 2. So that means if you cross multiply, 2x is equals to 1. That means x is equals to 1 over 2. It's as simple as that. Also, 1 over y is equals to q. So that means 1 over y is equal, what's our q? I got 3 for q. So if you cross multiply also, 3y is equals to 1. So y is equals to 1 over 3. So therefore, x is equals to 1 over 2, y is equals to 1 over 3. It's as simple as that. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't also forget to tell your loved one about mathematics tutor online. So Math by Taiwo. So you can always recommend me for people that interested in online class for mathematics from grade 3 to grade 12 upward. So I'm always available. So your review is very important. So don't forget what I said at the beginning of this video, that what I will be uploading on Facebook might be short, but the full video will always be attached to the post on Facebook each day. So it's very important you, my subscriber, give me a follow on YouTube. Then you can always send my YouTube link to your loved one, to the people that need it most. So people preparing for any exam, whether junior WAEC, NECO, or senior WAEC, senior JAMB, even up to people that want to write post UTME, people in 100 level, 200 level, they are all covered. So, and the private online class is always available. So having said that, let me give this for people that might want to try something like this in their various home. Okay, so I will call it practice question. So let's have it. Practice question. Practice question. Solve. You have to solve 3 over c minus 4 over d is equals to 1 over 3. Also, 2 over c minus 5 over d is equals to 1. So kindly drop your answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. In the comment section, either on Facebook or on YouTube. I will always get back with a review on your answer. Thank you so much. See you in our next episode for our next class. I remain by humble self, the math tutor, Math by Taiwo. Thank you so much. Keep sharing, keep the like, and always tell 1 or 2 people about my brand. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Yeah.